Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about this new Dragon Touch K8 Kids version tablet that I recently got. It comes preloaded with Disney content, which is pretty cool. That it's all set up, it's got these built-in apps ready to go. And you'll see I love the built-in mount. So we're going to open it up. Then inside you will find the tablet, which is right over here. The product manual and the user manual and the Kidoz product manual. That is a special app preloaded, designed for kids. It comes with a bunch of games and parental controls to control everything. So this is pretty cool. The tablet's got a small wristband for carrying, and plus it can be carried like this, which also doubles as a kickstand. When you tilt it, it stands right up on its own. So here is the company, Dragon Touch. And on the bottom you'll see the model version, K8. So we are going to reach on top, right over here. You see the power and the volume button. So we're going to turn it on. And we're going to open it up. Open up the app. Okay, so here it is. This is just like a regular Android tablet. Got a bunch of notifications. You can just swipe them away. So let's go into the settings just to show you, how it is. So this is standard. It's Android 6.0, so it's a little older. Right now we're up to Android 9.0. But for a tablet, it doesn't make that much of a difference. It depends on your uses, obviously. So here are all the regular settings, the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, display, apps, battery, etc. And over here we're going to go to About Tablet. And here, as we will see, it's got Android 6.0.1. It's got Android security patch level of November 2016. So it is in comparison to my phone, which has got security patch level of August 2018. Today's date. This one is a little outdated security, a little outdated version of Android. This is more kid-friendly tablet. I wouldn't necessarily put such important information because level of security is not up to par. So you click online update and you can check to see if there's any updates, and you will see that the current version is the latest they have for this tablet. So now we're going to go back out and we're going to show you some of the apps. So here are the apps. Obviously you could go to the Play Store and you could download whatever you want, but the cool one, the main one that we're going to talk about, is the Kidoz one. So that's right over here, and that's the one that came with a special manual just to show you how to use that one. So we're going to show you right here. We could pull on this and pull out this pen, which is connected by a string, so it won't easily get lost. So we're going to tilt this back. So this is basically, it makes it easy to touch things, especially for toddlers. Sorry for jumping around. Okay, so we're going to show you what we have here. It's got more apps, videos, games, websites, paintbox, camera, my pictures, wallpaper, etc. Alright, so it's got a bunch of different stuff here. So I'm going to show you videos, because this I thought was pretty cool. So we're going to click on videos. Okay. So over here, you'll see a bunch of classic videos. Let's say we go to Elmo's World. So this utilizes YouTube. See, it says powered by YouTube, but it's its own wrapper around YouTube. So it helps filter everything to make it all kid-friendly. See, here you can see a bunch of different Elmo videos. We'll just pick one that's a bath time. And I'll show you how it starts playing right here. And then you could maximize it It's hard to press things when holding the camera, but either way, so that's how the video section works. You could pick any video and it'll show you a bunch of different ones, under that category. So it's powered by YouTube, but it prevents you from having, inappropriate stuff which aren't fit for your kids. So we're going to go to ebook now. You're going to see this comes preloaded with a bunch of ebooks on it. And here they are. A bunch of Disney, books. Let's say we'll go to Planes. And you could just flip through it to read the book. Then we could do video book. So this is same as the ebook, but it's like a video, so it actually reads the book to you.
Beauty and the Beast, The Enchantment by Eric Jerome. Screenplay by
So I like how it highlights, as it talks. It helps teach my kids which words are being read so they can follow along.
In the heart of France, there lived a prince with no love in his heart. The prince was handsome, but despite...
So that's how these work. So it comes preloaded with a couple video books. All classic stories. And they're going to go to games. So it's got a number of games built in right over here. So we can show you, let's say, Connect 4. Takes a couple seconds to load, depending on your internet connection, possibly. I'm not really sure why it takes so long. Okay, that's an ad. Skipping. Oops, I think I clicked something wrong. Let's go back to Connect 4. Let's try that again. Not sure what I'm doing wrong there. Worked last time. Either way, we could do another one. We'll do Tap the Rat. Press start. Okay, so this game wants it to be portrait. So we're gonna flip it over. Or press play. So over here you just gotta tap the rat. Kind of a nasty game for some people. So as you see, the mice, you just gotta it's gonna go out. Either way, that game helps teach hand-eye coordination. It's great for younger kids to coordinate, and also helps them predict, where things are going, in order to move from there. So those are just some of the things that come included. It's got a paint box, which is basically a painting game. You can pick a coloring page, or do a blank page. Then you can take the colors, grab orange, and you tap an area and it'll fill in that section with that color. And that's basically how that works. You can save it, you can use photos. There's multiple things you can do with it. And then you can use calculator, calendar, all the Google apps, the classic apps. And you could go to the Play Store and you could download whatever you want. One thing I forgot to show you in the Kidoz app. I'll just go back there 1 second. So over here it says welcome guest. So if you go over here, you can sign up and you can activate safe mode, personalized content, set parental controls, and much more. So over here you'll click sign up, create a free account, and then you'll be able to set multiple limits. You can even prevent the kid from let's say going out of the Kidoz mode, right? Which could be useful if you want to just put all the games in there. So this way, let's say prevent them from opening your email or other stuff, etc. So here's a user manual. It's nice, it's built in. So if you have questions later, you don't have to go find that paper manual. You could just go right here, and you could swipe through to read how to do everything. So yeah, that's my review on the Kidoz tablet. It's a nice kid-friendly tablet. I really love the stand, how easy it is to just adjust, use it as a kickstand, or hold it. And the built-in pen makes it easy for kids to practice their writing skills, their coloring skills, etc. It's nice that it just slides right in. You can use it as a handle, and it's a great tablet for kids. And the rugged plastic case helps prevent drops. Here's a volume control, plus minus, right over here. But you don't need to do those because it's got actually on-screen controls, which makes it much easier for young kids because it's hard for them to find these buttons and press them. And this makes it easier for on-screen. Thanks for watching my review on the Dragon Touch K8 Kids tablet with built-in pen, your stylus, and Disney content ready, pre-installed. And don't forget, it comes with a charger. It's a standard micro USB, so you could use basically any phone charger for charging it up. Thanks, and have an awesome day.